Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to show different banner image on mobile and desktop in Shopify. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So changing your banner, whether it may be on your computer or in your mobile version of your website, can be something frustrating because in this case, this feature is not yet available in Shopify. But there are going to be some workarounds that we could actually do, because in this case, we could actually alter our CSS to make this happen. So first thing that we need to do here is we need to go to our Shopify account, go to shopify.com, log into your account, and open up your admin page for your store. Now from here, you need to go to online store, go to your themes, and click on customize. Now under customize, what you need to do next is we need to edit our CSS. So typically for us to do that, we need to go to an image banner here. As you can see, I'm using 2 images here. So in this case, I would suggest you to first add your first 2 images. Now, first image here will be the image they want to use for your desktop version. Second image is for your mobile version. In this case, just scroll down a bit here and go to the custom CSS section. Now, what we need to do here is we now need to get our CSS code. Now, what we need to do is we need to go to the community.shopify.com here. Now, in this case, you can actually type in the following and you should be able to see the same article that I'm viewing right now. This case, what you need to do is you need to look for the specific comment here about the banner media section here. So you have the banner media first child banner and the banner media section here. But as you can see, we also have the max width 749 here. So in this section, what we need to do is we need to copy the whole thing here. Let's go and copy this one. Go back into our Shopify store. Go to custom CSS, paste the following. Once you paste that, you can go ahead and just click on whatever here and switch over to your either to your desktop version or to your mobile version. As you can see, we only see one image here. So whenever you switch over to mobile, as you can see, it's now different. So in this case, once you've done that, just click on save at the top right to save your changes, and that's about it. So for this video was able to help you, like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.